Described as a small but vibrant village, BAL-ING-UP sits on the southwest highway between Kirup and Greenbushes. For years I've referred to this town as BAL-ING-UP, but apparently the correct pronunciation is BAL-ING-UP. There are a number of attractions and events in the area that account for the large number of accommodation options available. The town is surrounded by rolling hills, old-growth forests and winding rivers, and makes a perfect getaway in either the colder or warmer months of the year. The old cheese factory has been converted into an arts and crafts centre and is one of the main tourist attractions in the area. Golden Valley Park was established in 1981 and covers 60 hectares. There are over 5,000 trees from all around the world in the park, and a walk trail leads you through a 40-minute walk. The park is divided into two sections, with the eastern portion housing exotic species and the western housing the Australian species. Originally used as farmland, there had been a proposal to establish a pine plantation there, but local opposition to this saw the Arboretum established instead. Toilets, picnic tables and a barbecue are available in the park for visitors to enjoy. The walk is part of the Biberman Track and is marked with yellow trail markers. There is also the BAL-ING-UP to Grimwade Trail. This is a 4-kilometre one-way track. It starts at the general store and goes north to Grimwade. The walk is also part of the Biberman Track and is signposted with a black woggle on a yellow triangle. What is a woggle? A woggle is an Aboriginal totem and is symbolised by a snake. A medieval carnival is held in BAL-ING-UP and has become a very popular event. It's held on the fourth weekend each August. Another event that's popular is the Small Farm Field Day, and this is usually held in April. Nearby forests contain the much talked about magic mushrooms, but perhaps we'd better not talk about those here. A little bit of history about the area now. Parties of explorers journeyed through this area in the 1840s. The first person to settle in the area was Richard Jones, who took up 10 acres in 1854. He built a mud brick house that became Southampton Homestead. Sadly, it was destroyed by a bushfire in 2013. Walter Padbury arrived in 1859, and other settlers soon followed, and a small settlement developed at BAL-ING-UP Brook. The poet Adam Lindsay Gordon ran sheep in the area in the 1860s. Jacob Horter established what was then the largest orchard in the state in 1895. The town site was gazetted in 1898, after the site was purchased from a private owner in 1896 and then subdivided in 1897. The name is thought to have originated from an Aboriginal warrior called BAL-ING-UP. Today, the local industries include timber, fruit, sheep, dairy, cattle, and of course, tourism. The medieval carnival that's held in BAL-ING-UP on the fourth weekend of August each year is extremely popular. It takes over the whole town, and locals and visitors alike get involved in the theme of dressing up in period costume. The carnival features many types of entertainment. There are stalls selling food, local produce, crafts, and all sorts of other items. The combat area and stage are two popular places where visitors congregate to watch the shows, and other interesting exhibits include a blacksmith's forge, birds of prey, wagon rides, and much more. The event generally starts on Friday evening with a medieval feast. On Saturday, the main event kicks into gear at 10 a.m. Roving entertainers mingle with the crowds, and fixed entertainments take place in different locations throughout the carnival area. On Saturday evening, people staying on are treated to the burning of the dragon. and the main carnival opens again at 10 AM on Sunday. Those who want to get into the spirit of the event and don't want to make their own costumes, there are costumes for hire at the event site. The organisers do a fantastic job, but it's the high level of participation from visitors that makes this event quite special. To find out more about the event, visit the official site via the link provided below this video.